Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete orders on Etsy using Printful. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now all we will be needing to do is just to simply check this Reddit so we can learn some information about uh, ordering completion on Printful. So as you can see on Printful, you can select the order to be auto-fulfilled or that you can manually push it through. And basically from this opinion, it is suggested to manually push through as once Printful starts to fulfill the order even if the customers cancel. So basically, you can simply go and have your uh, Printful integration. That means you can simply go to your Printful account and then go to your store. So you can simply go to the dashboard and then you go to more, and in the settings you will be able to change this setting. So from the settings, let's go back and we want to go to settings and then go to store settings, then go to orders. So from here, you will be able to enable this one. So either you can fulfill the orders at the backup facility, and from here you choose if you want to be automatically confirm orders to be fulfilled or manually to do it. And here, if you want, if the import is unsynced orders checkbox below is selected, then your orders will not be automatically fulfilled if the order contains an unsynced item. Instead, the order will be saved as draft. So make sure to import existing products and import unsynced orders. And by that, you will be able to start not having issues with automatically completing your orders on uh, Etsy using Printful. Otherwise, you can just do it manually from here on the orders, and then you can start completing the orders manually. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.